Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here to make a super easy, super cute little pumpkin cheese ball. This little pumpkin cheese ball is absolutely adorable and absolutely delicious. Before we get started on our recipe, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me show you how easy it is to put together this adorable little pumpkin cheese ball. I have 1 block of cream here, and you can easily double this. If you're having a lot of guests, you can use 2 blocks of cream cheese and just add extra seasoning. But I'm just having a little bit of company today, so I'm going to start with this small block of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces. I'm just going to add in some garlic powder, however much you like, some onion powder, some paprika. This is just regular smoked paprika. It gives it that really nice color too, which will really look like a pumpkin. And I'm going to add in a little bit of seasoning salt. Now I'm just going to take the back of my spoon. Now this cream cheese has been sitting out so it's nice and soft. The best way to mix it is just use the back of a big metal spoon. And then I put a pot holder underneath so I can easily turn my bowl around and around. Now that I have the cream cheese and the seasonings mixed up, I'm just going to take a big rubber spoon and I'm just going to push everything right into the middle. I'll just form it into the shape of a ball. Now just take that ball and lift it right out with your spatula. Drop it right in the bowl of grated cheddar cheese. Now just start taking the cheddar cheese and putting right over the top of the little ball of cream cheese. Then you can roll the cream cheese ball right in the cheddar cheese. The cheese will not only give it that nice, beautiful orange color to look like a little pumpkin, but it'll keep it from being sticky as well. Our little ball of cheese is completely covered in the shredded cheddar cheese. Now it's time to get our little cheese ball ready to put in the refrigerator. Completely wrap the whole thing in the plastic wrap. Now I put down just a little piece of twine and I'm going to take the cheese ball and tie this twine nice and snug right around. I'm going to make a little indentation in the sides. Then I'm going to go one turn it a quarter of a turn and do the exact same thing. I'll tie it again, making a couple little indentations in the side. I'll wrap it around again and do the same thing one more time. I'll pull it nice and snug and just tie it right on the top. Try to get your sections as even as possible, but of course pumpkins aren't perfectly shaped, so this doesn't have to be either. Now I'll just clip off the string, shape it really nice, just shape it around with your hands until you have the nice little pumpkin shape you're hoping for. Now it's time just to put it on the little plate and set it in the refrigerator until it's good and cold. And now our little pumpkin cheese ball is out of the refrigerator. I let it sit for 3 to 4 hours. And now I'm just going to carefully take the twine off and we'll unwrap the plastic and see just how it turned out. I love making these cheese balls every year. They're always so cute. And of course, they're always delicious. There's only one thing our pumpkin needs. I'm just going to take a knife and make just a little slit right in the top of the little cheese ball. I have cut off a little bit of celery and saved the leaves so I can stick this right down inside the little cheese ball. It makes the perfect little stem. And here's how the wonderful little delightful cheese ball turned out. It's an adorable little pumpkin. I had so much fun putting together this super cute little adorable cheese ball pumpkin. It'll be perfect for game night tonight. I can't wait till our company comes. They're going to absolutely love it. I'm so happy you are here and I'm truly grateful. I would be super glad if you would hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time.